Afternoon, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's wait for the live to get started. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to my Freedom Friday. I am so excited to see you all here tonight. A Happy New Year to everyone here. May 2026 bring you joy, growth, and opportunities, all of them you have dreamed about. Can you believe another year has already flown by? It's incredible, but that also means that we have a brand new year ahead, a fresh start, full of possibilities, growth, and new breakthroughs waiting for us. So let's make this year count. Let's show up for ourselves and let's make 2026 our best year yet. If you are watching live, please say hello in the comments and tell me where you are joining from. Welcome to my regulars, that's Belinda and Cheryl and Peter and Bella and Therese and all the others. I really do appreciate your support. I always love to see who are on with us. But before we get into today's topic, I quickly want to mention something important. For the past 10 years, I'm involved in building my business online. Now, I help entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring income so that they can live life on their own terms. If you are feeling stuck, tired, or trapped in the 9-to-5 cycle, I have a free guide called Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. You can get it by just commenting freedom in the chat and I will send it to you. Or go to https://go.lynettebaardnors.com/freedom. I spell my name LINNETTEBAARDENHORST.com/freedom. It's not a sales pitch. It's simply designed to help you start thinking differently about income, time, and options. I'll remind you again at the end, but I wanted you to mention it right from the start. Excuse me. For those who are new here today, my name is Lynette Baardnors. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. And I'm an independent wealth engineer and business mentor using the DewPoint Wealth Creation System. I'm passionate about helping people understand what is possible beyond a salary, without hype, pressure, or unrealistic promises. So, if this is your first Freedom Friday, sit back, relax, and you are very welcome. Welcome to Henry and Isabel and Belinda. I'm really happy to see you here. Now, the topic for today is why building online changes more than just your income. And I want to be very clear from the beginning. This is not training about money. Yes, income matters. We all need it. But if money is the only reason someone starts building online, they usually don't last. Today, it's a conversation about growth, about who you become while building something online. One of the things Eric Worre, now he's a guru in a network marketing industry and the founder of GoPro Academy. And he often speaks about, and something I've seen again and again in my own experience, is that building online has the power to develop people in ways almost no other business model can. Eric Worre says, network marketing isn't perfect, it's just better. And while DewPoint is not a network marketing company, the principle still holds true. What we have isn't perfect, but it is a better way. A better way to stop handing your future over to others and start building something where you decide how much effort you put in, how far you grow, and what kind of life you create. And here's the part most people don't expect. Even if someone never earns a cent, they still get real great benefits from their product. Things like saving money, having coverage for themselves and their loved ones, and peace of mind. But the most powerful part, they walk away stronger, more capable version of themselves. The experience stretches you just like a rubber band. And just like a rubber band, once you've stretched it, you can never go back to the way you were before. You gain confidence, resilience, and a mindset that prepares you for bigger challenges. You start thinking differently about what is possible in life and business. And even if the financial rewards aren't immediate, the personal growth and the protection you have gained is priceless. That's the beauty of this journey. It's not just about money. It's about freedom, security, and becoming the best version of yourself. Now, I'm not talking about people who join today and quit tomorrow. If you want to build a real business, it takes time, effort, and persistence. It amazes me that people expect that they will be rich within the next week, and if they're not, then they simply quit. But if you stick with it, growth is guaranteed. What also amazes me is how many people have joined Dewpoint, stopped for whatever reason, and then come back, reinstated, ready to build their businesses with new focus and determination. And then they succeeded beyond what they've imagined. For instance, Petunia joined, gave it a little try, and then went quiet for 2 years. But then something amazing happened. Her lead wealth engineer, Patrick, reached out, encouraged her, and helped her refocus. Fast forward 3 years, and Petunia didn't come back. She crushed it. She achieved rank 11 and became a car owner through her hard work and consistency. It's proof that it's never too late to restart. And when you have guidance and a system that supports you, you can achieve more than you ever imagined. Why does this happen? Because joining Dewpoint doesn't hurt people. There are no expensive starter packs and no admin fees. You simply choose a product and start sharing information. And you can even join without paying up front. That is amazing. They allow you everything to participate in the system. And you can pay at the end of the month. It's unreal, but it's working. Now, if you don't have skin on the table, it's much easier to quit. So I always say to people, put your skin on the table if you're serious. But if someone pauses for or does nothing for a while and they don't at least lose their money and they have the product benefits to enjoy it. And when they're ready to try again, the system is still there, waiting for them. That's rare in a business, a space where you are allowed to stumble, learn, grow, and start again without punishment. And here's the best part. Every time someone comes back, they return as a better version of themselves, more confident, more disciplined, and far more prepared to create the results they truly want. Building an online business like Dewpoint develops your confidence, your communication skills, your self-belief. You become more self-aware, more resilient, more disciplined. Because the business doesn't grow for you, it grows through you. That's why so many people say, Dewpoint changed me, even before the money came. And I can truly say that building my Dewpoint business online has completely changed my life. It didn't just change my financial situation, it changed me as a person. I'm not the same person I was before I started my journey with Deelpoint. A lot of people who know me have noticed this transformation. They've seen me go from being a housewife to working as a public relations officer to facing one of the most challenging times of my life. Both me and my husband were retrenched. And we came into a fact that our income dropped to just 918 Rand per month because of the stock market crash. It almost wiped out our entire severance package. It was a desperate, uncertain period, and I didn't know what the future would hold. But today, my reality looks completely different. I now own a real licensed business that has produced a growing income for more than 118 consecutive months. Yeah, it's almost 10 years. I didn't have to invest large sums of money or take financial risk. I simply chose a product. In my case, it worked out to be less than 10 Rand a day, a once-off payment of 279 Rand from my own pocket. And over time, the returns on my efforts far exceeded that product payment, while I continued to enjoy all the product benefits. I paid my product once and never again, because the money I receive from Deelpoint is more than my product payment. That's a bargain, I must say. That same product saves me money, provides cover on my life, and allows me to build an unlimited intergenerational income. And the impact of that decision reaches far beyond money. Now, I originally joined Boltron back in 1997. Now, when Deelpoint later acquired Boltron, the business model was restructured and modernized. The marketing plan was changed so that it is no longer a traditional MLM, multi-level marketing model, and the focus shifted to using technology optimally. Today, there is no product selling involved at all, and that is unique. We all simply is using a product, share the information, and leverage technology to build an income in a far more efficient and sustainable way. As a result of these choices, my life has transformed in ways I've never imagined. I've traveled to incredible places and had experiences that most people only dream about. Skiing in the snow-capped mountains of Turkey, crossing the Bosphorus Strait, connecting two continents, Europe, I can't remember the other one, but it's unique. Visiting the majestic Blue Mosque in Turkey, exploring a volcano in Bali, and soaking in the beauty of the islands like Seychelles, Mozambique, Mauritius, and Zanzibar, and lots of other places. These aren't just trips or vacations, they are life-changing moments that expanded my perspective, challenged me, and reminded me what's truly possible when you take control of your life. What I've realized is that building an online business isn't just about improving your finances, it's about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your dreams. It's about freedom, growth, and the experiences that shape who you are. I've gained confidence, independence, and the ability to say yes to opportunities I never thought possible. So, when I talk about building something online, I'm talking about more than income. I'm talking about personal transformation, experiences, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. And that's exactly what I want to help others to achieve too. Another huge shift that happens when you start building online is your relationship with consistency. Think about this for a moment. In a regular job, consistency keep you employed. Not so? You show up, you do the work, you get a paycheck. That's the reward, and it's predictable. But the challenge is you are trading hours for money, and your income stops the moment you stop showing up. Online consistency works completely different. It compounds. What does it mean? It means that the actions you take today can continue to produce results weeks, months, or even years later. I'm still being paid on people that joined me in 1997. Yes, they moved on with Viewpoint, but I'm still getting paid on that. Can you say that? It's 29 years later. These small daily habits, sending a message, following up, learning a new skill, showing up in your community, all add up. Every bit of effort stacks onto the previous effort, and over time, the growth multiplies. You also learn to show up even when no one is clapping, when no one notices or praises you, when no one is watching, and when the results you hope are still invisible. They call this belief in something you don't see, a hope on things to come. That's what I do. I believe in Viewpoint. I believe that this is the way that South Africans will be able to survive our dying economy. And I truly believe that. This is something most people never experience in a 9-to-5. Where dog eat dog, you always have to trot on another one to get on the top because there's only one position at the top. Here you can help as many people as possible because then everybody's benefiting. You don't have a manager checking your every move, and there's no immediate reward. And that's exactly where your mindset is built. You learn discipline, patience, and self-motivation. You learn that progress doesn't always feel exciting in the moment, but it accumulates in the long run. You develop resilience. You start trusting yourself. You start believing that your consistent actions, even small ones, actually matter. The people and the beauty of this is that it doesn't just create results online. It creates a new version of you, a version that can handle challenges, setbacks, and uncertainty, a version that can stay focused on long-term goals rather than short-term comfort. And here's the part most people don't realize. Once you internalize this, it affects everything in your life. Your relationships, your personal growth, your financial decisions, your confidence, they all benefit from your mindset of showing up consistently, no matter what. This is why so many people say that building online just doesn't give you income. It gives you freedom and self-mastery that a traditional job can never offer. It also changes your mindset. Mindset isn't just thinking positively. A lot of people believe that if you just think happy thoughts and stay motivated, everything will work out. But mindset is much deeper than that. True mindset is learning not to quit when things feel uncomfortable. It's about showing up when the results aren't obvious, when progress seems slow, when doubt creeps in, or fears whispers that you should give up. This is the point where most people quit. And that's why so many fail before even they have really started. But here's the amazing thing about building online. This kind of business will wait for you to grow if you don't quit. It doesn't punish you for your mistakes. It doesn't care how fast you learn. It simply responds to your consistent effort over time. So, the real challenge and the real power is staying in the game, learning from your mistakes, get better every day, showing up even when no one notices. And when you do that, something incredible happens. You grow confidence. Your resilience grows. Your ability to handle bigger challenges grows. This is not just building a business. This is about building yourself. And once you grasp that, once you truly believe that the business will wait for you as long as you don't quit, it's a kind of freedom you cannot put a price on. That's powerful. That's transformative. Another incredible shift that happens when you build Dewpoint is in your community. Think about this. We live in a world that is more connected than ever, yet more lonely than ever. People are scrolling, liking, commenting, but deep connection is rare. Most people don't have a group of like-minded individuals who truly support them, challenge them, or inspire them to grow. When you build your Dewpoint business, something amazing happens. You start connecting with people who think bigger, who talk about growth, who believe in possibilities. People who encourage you instead of criticizing you. People who celebrate your wins, no matter how small. And here's the part most people underestimate. This kind of community changes your standards. You begin to realize that life you were taught to accept, the limitations, the routine, the financial ceiling, it's not the only option. When you see ordinary people achieving extraordinary things, your mindset shifts. You start believing, if they can do it, so can I. That moment changed everything for me. When Patrick and Pumi drove away in their first free Dewpoint car, I remember thinking, wow, if they can do it, so can I. In that instant, I made a promise to myself. The next car would be mine. And you know what? It was. That experience taught me an important lesson. Seeing others succeed doesn't make your dreams smaller. It shows you that your dreams are possible too. But it's not just about inspiration. It's about support and accountability. When you are part of a group that genuinely cares about your growth, you are more likely to show up consistently, push through challenges, and keep moving forward. It is impossible to stay warm if you're not close to the fire. You need to keep close to the fire to get the heat, to get the results. That is important. And the relationship you build aren't just online connections. They are real friendships, mentors, and allies. People who share your vision, your struggles, and your triumphs. People you can turn to when you need guidance or encouragement. The truth is, these communities are rare in the real world, but they are built into this way of working online. They give you the emotional support and the connection that fuels your growth, and that's invaluable. So, when I talk about the power of building online, it's not just about money or a business strategy. It's about people you meet, the friendships you build, and the positive influence that surrounds you every single day. I miss my people. I can't go without them. I love all of them. And the more you give and engage in this community, the more it comes back to you in guidance, in support, and and inspiration. This is one of the reasons why people often say that building online changes more than just your income. It changes your life, your perspective, and the company you keep. Another area that people don't always realize develops is when building your business online is leadership. And here's the truth. You don't need a title to lead. You don't need a degree. Leadership isn't about a corner office, a fancy business card, or telling people what to do. Leadership is about showing up, guiding, and inspiring others through your own actions. When you build Dewpoint, you quickly learn leadership isn't optional. When you build your Dewpoint business, even part-time, you are not just building an income. You are building discipline, confidence, leadership, and a mindset that serves you for life. If you want your business to grow, you must help others to grow too. You learn to take responsibility for your own results and at the same time support those around you in reaching their dreams. This teaches you some of the most valuable skills in life. How to communicate clearly and effectively. How to be consistent and reliable. How to coach, mentor, and encourage others. How to inspire action without pushing or forcing. And here's the beautiful part. The more you focus on adding value to others, the faster you grow. You see, leadership in this space isn't about ego, it's about service. It's about thinking, how can I help someone else succeed? And when you do that consistently, you develop influence, trust, and credibility, things that can't be taught in a textbook. Leadership also teaches resilience. You learn to handle setbacks, criticism, and challenges without losing momentum. You develop patience and empathy. You start thinking beyond yourself and your immediate needs, and that mindset spills into every area of your life, your family, your career, your community. The amazing thing is, the lessons you learn in leaderships aren't just for business, they transform you who you are as a person. You become someone who can handle bigger opportunities, think bigger, and inspire others to do the same. So, when people ask me why building Dewpoint is so powerful, I tell them it's not just about the money. It's about becoming a leader in your own life and the lives of others. And that kind of leadership, once developed, lasts a lifetime. When you build Dewpoint, you don't just build income. You build discipline, confidence, emotional intelligence, long-term thinking. You start thinking differently about time, effort, and freedom. And once your thinking changes, you never see the world the same way again, like the rubber band. Now I want to be very clear here. Dewpoint is not network marketing company. There is no selling, no explaining products, no hype, no pressure. The system is already built. The structure already exists. The company is regulated and established. 10 years is a long time. This allows people to experience the personal growth of building online without the parts that usually stop them from starting. If you're serious about growth in 2026, not just financially, but personally, this kind of thinking matters. This is not about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about expanding your options, and options changes lives. I'll end where I started. If tonight's conversation resonated with you, I invite you to get my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap. Comment freedom on this live, and we will send it, or go to the link https://go.lynettebarnels.com/blueprint. It's designed to help you start thinking beyond the box you were trained to live in. But just a quick reminder, if you enjoy these Freedom Friday sessions and you want even more tools to help you break free from the 9-to-5 grind, make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. I share weekly tips, insight, and simple strategies that help you build real recurring income and create your own vision of financial freedom. Just hit the subscribe button on YouTube and tap the bell so that you never miss a new session. Even if life gets busy, you'll always have step-by-step guidance right at your fingertips. Now, for the last time, you can still win a 7,000 Rand cash for the last week. The last 7,000 Rand cash draw, Dew Point's lucky number 7 incentive, is going to be done on Tuesday, the 4th of January. So make sure you are part of it. All you need to do is to join tonight, pay your product before Tuesday, and you will be and get at least 1, 2, 3, 100 new wealth engineers in your team. And for every new product owner that paid their product, you will get an entry. That is as simple as it is. Or contact me at 082-783-5661 and I'll send all the information to you. And of course, feel free to like, love, and follow me on my Facebook page, and go and visit my blog, lynettebarnels.com/blogs, for more helpful content just like this. Thank you for spending your Freedom Friday with me. If this spoke to you, drop a fire emoji in the comments. I appreciate you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.